Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared soya chili recipe. This can be served as a side dish for noodles, fried rice, or even for South Indian meals. I've prepped up all the ingredients and reserved. Let's look into all the ingredients and get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using soya nuggets. Soya nuggets is easily available in all supermarkets. I've deseeded and chopped bell pepper and onions into cubes and reserved. We need curry leaves, slit green chilies, green chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, corn flour, chili powder, turmeric powder and pepper powder. So very simple set of ingredients I'm using for this recipe. All the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will also be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I've started to dry roast the soya nuggets on medium flame. This will ensure to eliminate all that raw flavor from the soya nuggets. So you have to dry roast it, stirring it constantly. Once it's dry roasted, it will start to turn light brown in color in all the edges. That is when I've added warm water. I've added warm water not to stop the cooking process. Always have a pot of warm water next to you when you're cooking. So you add warm water and you do not stop the cooking process. Here I've added salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. I'll bring this to a rapid boil. The soya nuggets have to get cooked, and once it's cooked, it will double in volume. So as the water starts to boil, you can see the soya nuggets have absorbed most of that water. It has doubled in volume. I'll be rinsing off all this water. Many people do not like the flavor from the soya nuggets, so that's why we have to follow these steps. It's almost like a sponge. Now I'm going to rinse it off twice in the water. It has cooked well. I've removed it from the flame and I'm going to rinse it off. Detailed recipe will be posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Once I've rinsed the soya nuggets twice, I'm just squeezing out all the excess moisture. We don't want any of that moisture. I'm going to reserve it in a bowl. The soya nuggets is ready at the moment. I'll start preparing the chili base. I've heated a wok. I've added ghee and oil, 3 teaspoons of ghee and oil. I'm going to first fry the soya nuggets in this oil and ghee. Once you fry the soya nuggets in the ghee and oil, it will absorb all that ghee and it will give a very nice flavor. At the same time, we are ensuring that there is no excess moisture in the soya nuggets. So when we add it to the chili gravy base, all the gravy will get absorbed inside the soya nuggets easily. Here I've added the soya nuggets to the ghee and oil. I'm just going to fry it for 2 minutes. This tastes exactly like chicken, or you can call it as a very soft fish. People who do not know what this is, they will definitely get fooled because it tastes exactly like chicken. I'll show you the texture up close at the end of the video. Here you can see I've started to fry the soya nuggets, made sure there is no moisture in it. So once I finished frying the soya nuggets for 2 minutes, it roughly took me hardly 2 to 3 minutes. I've reserved it in the bowl back again. I'm going to start preparing the chili gravy base. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. I've heated the same wok back on medium flame. For the gravy, I've added ghee and oil. I'll start frying the curry leaves in this oil and ghee first. I'm giving it a South Indian touch. So I've added the ghee and oil, allowed it to heat up thoroughly. Now I've added the curry leaves. I'll allow the curry leaves to fry a bit. Now I've added the slit green chilies, onion and capsicum. I'm going to fry it just for a minute's time. We don't want the onions to soften or brown too much. We just want to cook it a little bit. We still want the crunch in this onion and capsicum. So I've added salt, tiny amount of salt, because the chili sauce and the soya sauce already contain a lot of salt in it. So add very less amount of salt. I've added the chili sauce and the soya sauce. Just going to mix all the ingredients. At this point I'll add the vinegar and quarter cup of water just to cook all the ingredients. I'll cook this on high flame. If you want to serve a very large group, you can prepare this dish. It pairs excellent with all South Indian meals and fried rice or noodles. It's a perfect dish to be served for a very large group. At this point, the gravy base has started to boil. All that chili flavor would have concentrated inside the gravy. Now I've added cornstarch. So the corn flour, I mixed a little bit of water and I've added the cornstarch. I've given this a good stir and I'll bring it to a rapid boil. The gravy is ready. At this point, I've added these soya nuggets. I'm just going to give this a good stir. Make sure all that gravy is absorbed inside the soya nuggets. I'll fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to repeat myself, friends. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handles will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now I've checked for salt and pepper. I've added the pepper powder and salt. I'm just going to fry it for another 2 more minutes and it's done. All that gravy is easily absorbed inside the soya. Now it will taste excellent. Some people like it even more tart. So at that point you can add a few drops of lemon juice. Here you can see up close. The soya exactly replicates like a chicken or fish. So people who do not know what this is, they'll easily get fooled. So this tastes exactly like chicken. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. In my family, everybody enjoyed this soya chili. I've served it with South Indian meals. We really enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.